Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to record your Android phone screen with a free application that doesn't have or require any watermark. So once you have your phone open, just head over to your Play Store. Once the Play Store is open, just search for Xrecorder. The best possible match should show up on your screen, and once it does, just click on that. And here you can see mine already shows open. This is because I have installed the application on my phone already. If you haven't installed the application, just go ahead and install it. Once it's installed on your phone, just click open. So once you've done that, you'll land on a page like this. You can simply click outside of this here. So here, the first place you see or you notice here on the screen here is the videos section. So this is where all videos which you record with your phone or with the application will be displayed here on the phone. So you can see here I have a whole lot of videos here displaying. So you just next to videos at the bottom of the screen here, you can see we have a picture icon or a photo icon. If I should click on this here, this displays all pictures you have, which you like a screenshot which you take with the application. Next to photos here, we have a plus icon, and this plus icon here is how you can start recording your phone screen. So if I should click on this now, you can see we have two options here to record the video or to do a live stream. But for now, let's just click out of this. Just next to the plus icon here, we have a pen icon. If you should click on this here, it helps you or it provides you with options where you can edit your video, where you can also edit your pictures or merge videos and pictures together. Next to the pen icon here, we have a settings icon. If I should click on the settings icon here, you can see this is where you can adjust or pick various settings for your video recording. So here we can decide to adjust the resolution, the frames per second, or the orientation. You can also decide to record the audio. If you should just scroll down a bit here, you can see we have other options which you can go through and decide to choose what you want. You can decide to use a countdown before you start recording your phone screen. So if I should click on this now, you can see I have a whole lot of options which I can choose from and pick what I want. So once you go through all of this and you are okay with the settings, to start recording your phone screen, like I said, just head over to the plus icon in the middle of the screen. If you should click on this, you can see you have two options. You can easily select record video. So clicking on this now, you can see the countdown plays, and then my phone screen starts getting recorded. If you look at the bottom here, you can see there are some numbers here showing. It means that my phone screen is being recorded by the application. So let's navigate Instagram a bit and then let's come back to the video and see what we have recorded. So exiting from the screen now and heading over to Instagram. So let's say we are done with what we're doing and want to stop recording our phone screen. Just head back to the application. Once you're on the application, you should land on the screen like this. Just click outside of this. And then at the bottom of the screen, you can see an icon, a stop icon that displays there at the bottom. Just click on this to stop the recording. And like I said, if you should head over to the video tab on the phone application, on the recording application, and here you can see the video which you just recorded here showing up on your screen at the top part of the page. So if you click on this now, you can see this is the recording we just made. And also using this application, you will notice at the right hand corner of the screen, you must have noticed this icon here showing the phone application icon here being displayed. Here you can easily click on this to start recording, to go to the settings or go to the home page of the recording application. So if you are making a recording, it is possible that this icon might show over what you are recording. If you don't want this icon to display over your screen while you are making a recording, I will show you how to easily remove the icon. To remove the icon displaying over your other applications while you are recording, just head over to the settings of your phone. And to access the settings of your phone, you can do this in two ways. You can head over to the notification part of your phone here, where you have your or receive your notifications. Here you can see a settings icon that displays at the top right corner of the page. So you can access your settings by going through there, or you can head over to your phone and then search for your settings while you are on the home screen of your phone. So here you can see on my phone, this is my settings icon here for my phone. So I'll just click on this. And once you have the settings icon open for you, just scroll down to the bottom and look for apps or applications on your phone. And once you find apps or applications for your phone, just click on that. Then you should be brought to a page here that displays or shows all the applications you have installed on your phone. To quickly search for Xrecorder, just head over to the top and then click on the search icon here and then search for Xrecorder. You can see the best possible match here to show up on your screen. Just click on this, and once you have the settings for your Xrecorder for your phone showing on the screen, just scroll down to the bottom and then you should find the place that shows appear on top. Click on this and then switch this off. So switching this off will remove Xrecorder from displaying on other applications or displaying on other things while you are working on your phone. So if I should head back to my home screen now, you can see the icon for the application does not display anymore at the right hand corner of the screen. So turning that off helps you to remove the application from displaying on your phone or displaying over other applications. So as a bonus, I'm going to show you how to use your native recorder. This is the recorder that comes installed already with your phone. So for example, I use a Samsung phone and my Samsung phone already comes with a native screen recorder. So if you don't want to use a third-party screen recorder, you can simply use a native recorder that comes with your phone. So if I should head over to the notifications menu at the top of the page and scroll down here and swipe to the right once, here you can see at the bottom there's something called screen recorder. If I should simply click on this, you can see a dialog box here should pop up on my screen asking me if I want to record the sound or not, or if I want to record the sound coming out from my phone and also from my mic. So you can decide to pick any option you want, but here I'll just go with no sound and then I'll click on start recording. You can see a timer will show up here, and at the top of the page here you can see a notification tree showing different options for me to either start or pause the recording or stop the recording if I want. So let's say you're okay with this and then you want to stop the recording, you can simply head over to the notification tray for the screen recorder and then click on stop. And here you can see a notification showing recording has been saved for me. So simply heading over to the notification menu at the top here and sliding it down. Here you can see an option that says video saved, and if I should simply click on the arrow here, you can see I can share this video, I can edit the video, or I can decide to delete the video. But let us open the video and have a look at what we have recorded. Selecting the video, you can see this is what we recorded earlier, and also the quality is also very good and very nice as well. And this is a screen recorder that comes by default with your phone, and you don't need to download a third-party screen recorder. Okay guys, I hope these two different methods I showed you of how to record your phone screen works for you and you're able to record the screen in high and wonderful quality. If you have any problems or issues, just let me know in the comments below. If you found the video helpful, please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post a lot of helpful and wonderful videos, so head over to my channel and also check out the other videos I've posted. I'm very sure you would enjoy a lot of them. Have a great day and I'll see you all on the next one.